Hi everyone, welcome to Lucilva's Cooking. Today I'll show you how I make my homemade chocolate banana pudding. It's simple, delicious, and everyone loves it. To a medium saucepan, add a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. I use the same can to measure the milk, and I add 2 cans of whole milk. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and stir to combine. Strain 3 egg yolks and add them as well. Stir once again and add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now and only now, turn on the heat to medium and cook this pudding mixture a little bit to give it a kickstart. I make the chocolate pudding off of this vanilla pudding, so I pour half of it into another saucepan. Add 1.5 tablespoons of chocolate milk powder such as Nesquick and stir well to combine. Add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and stir some more. Stir constantly on medium heat until it thickens and remove it from the heat. Cook the vanilla pudding until it thickens as well. And they are both done. Super easy and not a lot of ingredients. Now, the fun part. Spread a little vanilla pudding at the bottom of a 2.5 quart casserole dish. Pour 1 cup of whole milk into a small bowl. For this particular recipe, I like to use Maria cookies. Dunk the cookies in milk to help soften them a little bit and arrange them at the bottom of the dish. Top them with banana slices and pour half of the remaining vanilla pudding over them. If the puddings get colder and more set before it's time to pour them in the dish, add a little more whole milk to them and whisk until they soften, heating them up a little if needed. Dunk some more cookies in milk and make another layer, saving 3 or 4 cookies for the topping. Add another sliced banana. Pour all of this amazing chocolate pudding over the bananas. So delicious looking, isn't it? Everything chocolate is mouth-watering. If you're enjoying this recipe, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Add another layer of cookies and bananas and the rest of the vanilla pudding. Allow the dish to sit on the counter until it cools completely. Then, top it with whipped cream and crushed cookies. Refrigerate and let it set. I didn't wait for it to set more, so it's really creamy still. But that's okay. This pudding is amazingly delicious either way. Sometimes I put my portion in the freezer a little bit. It's even better if it's a little frozen. You can also make it all into a chocolate pudding. Just double up on a powdered milk chocolate and cocoa powder. I hope you like my different, creamy, delicious chocolate banana pudding. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.